One of the things many people who transition to a vegan diet miss is animal milk that had salt added to it and allowed to get old, while bacteria poops in it and cause fermentation. There are thousands of recipes for plant-based cheese that do not require bacteria poop. This is one of them and has a mild cheddar flavor with a richness to it because it's not made from potatoes, carrots or cashews. So if you exclude meat, this recipe is nut-free. It is also oil and gluten-free as it's made from alcohol-free pina colada, aka coconut milk. I love a creaminess coconut milk adds to the cheese. The best place to find coconut milk is on the beach. That is because coconuts wash out on the beach, having traveled thousands of miles from a secret island where only coconuts live. So let's go hunting. Ha, there's one hiding under a rock. Let's sneak up on it. Right, got it. You can also find them swimming in water, but you have to be quick. Here is one. Got it. Wow, the sun rays make an amazing special effects. Okay, let's go make some vegan cheese. As the coconut milk comes in a can that looks like an oil can, you have to open it like one. Now add the milk to a pot. Next, add a 1/4 cup nutritional yeast. This is what confuses your taste buds and makes you think you are eating cheese. Next, add 2 tablespoons lemon tears to add a bit of sourness. For tanginess, add 1 tablespoon vinegar made from apples. And for tangy and savory flavor, add 1 teaspoon yellow mustard. If you want an even stronger cheddar taste, add more mustard. To keep vampires away, add 1/2 teaspoon anti-vampire dust. For extra protection, follow it up with 1/2 teaspoon onion dust. Now add 1/2 teaspoon powdered white crystals, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon dried and powdered red pepper. To help color the cheese a bit, add 1/4 teaspoon dried and powdered curcuma longa root, commonly known as turmeric. Pull out a spoon and start mixing. Then realize this is not going to work and switch over to power tools. Okay, now crank up the heat to medium flat out. When the mixture has warmed a bit, add 1 tablespoon agar-agar powder, which is extracted from seaweed. This is what causes the cheese to set. Give it a whisk or just power blend it. Keep the heat turned up until the mix becomes angry. Stir occasionally so that it does not turn black at the bottom. Once it is at boiling point, turn down the heat and cook it for around 7 to 10 minutes so the agar-agar can activate. Look for when a film starts to form on the top. Now you are ready to pour the mix into a mold. I've used parchment paper before, but it seems not to be necessary, so save that money for more important things, like chocolates. Once in the mold, let it calm down until the bowl is about room temperature. Then place it in a molecule speed reducer for a few hours until the cheese sets firm. This has been in the fridge overnight, so it's pretty chilled out. Let's see if it works with me and comes out on its own. Nope, it's playing hardball. You can take a hammer and smash the bowl, or just take a spatula and gently massage the edges of the cheese to get the cheese to comply. See how easy that was? Now let's see how it cuts. Very nice. It's not hard like normal cheddar, but it holds up okay to cutting. Now let's see how it shreds. Not bad. Now that is a thumbnail image right there. I like this cheese because of the richness of a coconut milk, while being a mild cheddar flavor. It also does not have a crappy aftertaste many of the store-bought coconut milk cheeses have. Watch the video suggested to you right now for another mouth-watering masterpiece with a dash of humor to spice up your life.